do some justice on a garage door opener. I press the button and nothing happens. If we climb up here, the chain isn't moving. Right inside there's a sprocket. And it's broken.
Holy fruit salad.
I need to do some justice quick and change out that sprocket. LiftMaster, we're coming. First thing that we like to do is unplug the opener. We want to make sure that we have it unplugged. Next, we want to take off the wall button and the safety sensor and wires. Once we battle them guys, we will get justice back. We will be a lot closer. After you get the wires off, you want to take the lid, the cover. We want to take it completely off. And we will not be defeated. There's 2 screws here. 2 screws on this side. 1 screw here. 1 screw on this side. Right there. Let's take action. The 3/4 horse machine. They have this cover on top. 7/16. Let's take those off. There's 2 of them. And then you're gonna need a 1/2-inch socket. We cannot be defeated. Justice.
Watch out, Batman. This could be tricky.
Once we have the cover off, everything is exposed. Nothing is safe. It's all exposed. Right there is the culprit. I got my bat glove. My bat gorilla glove grip. Now we need to loosen this chain. We need to loosen up the chain so we can take it off right here. Because we don't want to pinch our fingers. Because it fucking hurts. Now we have the chain off of the machine.
Holy heart failure.
Now we can do some justice.
You
I have taken off the
filthy
cover.
criminal.
I like to take off this side of the lens cover and just lay it right on the top of the machine. So right here, guys, you want to take the limit switch, get that out of the way. We don't want no harm done. Right in here is the problematic area. There's a plastic cover that if you come on here, that you just unsnap it. But with a pow, flip it very easily and move it out of your way. Right there's the gear. Right under there is the worm gear. And up there, the shaft. Up the shaft. That's where the sprocket failed. So what you want to do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/16. Take those off. Drop the motor down. Replace the worm gear. Do this on the floor. Replace your main drive sprocket. I'm not going to go into detail on how to do this. I'm just pointing you in the right direction. But today, I want justice.
Watch out, Batman. This could be tricky.
Never forget rail grease around your new gear. Never. It needs it.
You filthy criminals.
It has the dual rail to carry some weight. This door is heavy. 3/4 horse LiftMaster. Thanks for hanging out with Batman, guys. Till next time. Stay frosty.